Mastering adaptive testing, the power of practice. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial part of the GMAT preparation journey, taking practice tests. If you've been wondering how to best prepare for the unique adaptive nature of the GMAT, this video will provide the insights you need. Remember, practice is the key, and we're here to guide you on how to do it right. GMAT, unlike other standardized tests, uses a unique system called adaptive testing. This means the difficulty of questions you encounter adapts based on your performance. Answering a question correctly might lead you to a tougher one, while an incorrect answer could result in a slightly easier question. Thus, taking practice tests helps you. 1. Familiarize yourself with the test format. 2. Understand the adaptive nature and anticipate difficulty changes. 3. Boost your confidence by experiencing real test scenarios. While it's tempting to take many practice tests back-to-back, it's essential to strike a balance. Here's a suggested timeline. Start early. Take a diagnostic test at the beginning of your preparation to gauge your current level. Middle of your prep. Take a test every 2 weeks. This allows you to measure improvement and adjust study strategies. Closer to the test date, take a test weekly. This ensures you're in the rhythm and identifies last-minute areas to work on. Merely taking the test isn't enough. Reviewing it is where the gold lies. 1. Analyze your mistakes. Understand why you got an answer wrong. Was it due to a conceptual gap, careless error, or time management? 2. Focus on timing. Adaptive testing can make time management tricky. Note down sections where you spend too much time and work on improving your speed. 3. Celebrate your strengths. Don't just focus on weaknesses. Understand your strong areas and ensure you maintain your proficiency there. When taking a practice test, try to emulate real test conditions. Quiet environment. Find a distraction-free area. Stick to the timing. Use the exact time allotted for each section of the GMAT. Use official materials. The closer your practice is to the real thing, the better. Using official GMAT prep materials ensures you're experiencing questions of the right caliber. Practice tests are your window into the GMAT experience. Use them wisely, review them thoroughly, and remember, each test brings you a step closer to mastering the GMAT. We hope this video guides you on the path to success. Keep practicing, stay confident, and all the best on your journey to business school.